Aruba, an island inhabited by thousands of happy people. Amidst festivities and celebrations, things are heating up. An elite group of musical slayers will go head to head in a fierce musical battle. In the stadium, on the stage, the world is now ready for the main event in Aruba's Grand Carnival. The Aruba Kaiso and Soca Monarch 2013. The island's greatest musical creators go forth at the most epic battle of the energy that is Kaiso and Soca music. Thousands will come from all over the world to witness firsthand the magnificent battle of the champions. In 2013, come celebrate with us at the Aruba's Kaiso and Soca Monarch on January 15th, 16th, 17th, and 19th at the Joe Lavelle Stadium in the heart of St. Nicholas. Aruba's Carnival, starting 2013, will never be the same again.